Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 on how to make money for listen to music. Let's move on from where we ended in our last video. In our last video we only discuss one website, but in this video we will discuss two websites. So let's start. So if you haven't watched the first video, do yourself a favor and watch it. Go to playlistpush.com. Playlist Push offers a great pay rate. For each song you review, you will earn $12. Payments are sent directly to your bank account. Well, it's quite simple actually. You just need to join the websites and create your profile. After the approval of your profile, you can start the work. You're supposed to do two things: listening and reviewing. Listen to the songs of new and upcoming artists and write reviews about them. The more you listen, the more money you earn. Check the links in my description below. Let's move on to the second website. Current.us.com. Current.us is an Android/iOS based mobile app that pays you around $600 per year for playing music on your mobile phone. It's one of the most rewarding apps if you want to generate passive income by listening to songs. You can earn while you're working at the office, doing jogging, or even while you're commuting. Basically, you earn money by earning points for being active on the app. The more you tap on the music or other features of the app, the more money you will make. They keep on adding more and more options to, and so it will only keep getting better. You can spend your points by redeeming gift cards, recording music for airplay usage, or cashing out using PayPal. Check the links in my description below to sign for free. That's all I have for you. See you in my next video, and if you want to know more ways to earn money online, subscribe. See you.